Today we're at my nursery, Exotics Tropico, with an X in West Hollywood, and I'm going to show you how to correctly plant a citrus tree in a pot. First, get a pot of sufficiently large volume. This is a beautiful pot, and there's quite a bit of volume here. We're going to put some broken pieces of pottery over the drain hole. You can use a few. We're going to use, now this is the secret to grow citrus in a pot, you use cactus mix. Regular potting soil will kill the tree. So, we'll take some cactus mix, pour some in. Then here's an interesting citrus. This is a kaffir lime. This is one of the secret flavors of the delicious Thai soup. So we'll bang the sides of the pot to loosen up the soil. Then the tree should kind of slide out. The important thing with planting a citrus tree is to use the cactus mix and to plant it high. You never bury the stem. If you plant it and you can't see the original soil, you planted it too deeply. And a pot of this size allows you to plant flowers or herbs or whatever around the citrus tree to make a nice combination. So we fill around the tree with the cactus mix. And this will grow for many years in this pot. This is a semi-dwarf tree, and you can enjoy it. That's how you plant a citrus tree in a pot.